Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we consider the best compact countertop blender on the market, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, Model 58148A. If you're searching for a powerful, reliable, and easy-to-use blender that won't take over your kitchen counter, stay tuned for a full breakdown. Let's kick things off with design and build. At first glance, this blender doesn't scream high-tech or fancy, but that's exactly its charm. The body comes in a sleek black finish with a sturdy base and a control panel with just 5 simple buttons. It's intuitive and very easy to use, even for beginners. It comes with a 40-ounce glass jar, which is both dishwasher safe and tough enough to handle hot or frozen contents. The jar has a pour spout that prevents messes while serving, which is a thoughtful touch. Now, power and performance. This blender boasts a 700-watt motor with stainless steel ice saber blades. And yes, it absolutely lives up to its name. This thing crushes ice like a champ. Smoothies, protein shakes, frozen fruit blends, milkshakes, you name it, it handles it. What sets this model apart is the Wave-Action system. Unlike many blenders that simply spin ingredients around, this one continuously pulls everything down into the blades, ensuring a consistent blend every time. No more chunks of fruit or missed pieces of ice. As for functionality, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite offers 12 blending functions. These are accessible through the 5-button control panel, allowing you to switch between tasks like pureeing, chopping, dicing, mixing, and more. It's not just a smoothie blender. It's a versatile kitchen assistant that can handle everything from soups to salsa. One of the biggest highlights is ease of cleaning. The glass jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. And since the blades are removable, you don't have to awkwardly reach into the jar to clean them. This is especially great if you're using the blender multiple times a day. Now, for some real-world dimensions. It measures about 8.66 inches deep, 8.5 inches wide, and 14.69 inches high, and weighs a little over 5.5 pounds. That makes it compact enough to fit under most kitchen cabinets while still providing a solid and stable blending experience. Of course, there are a couple of limitations. It doesn't come with a personal blend-and-go travel jar or a food processor accessory. And it's not the quietest blender out there, you'll hear it when it's running. But if those features aren't deal-breakers, the performance and reliability more than make up for them. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-performance blender that covers your daily blending needs, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a top contender. It's powerful, compact, versatile, and incredibly easy to clean. Definitely a smart buy for everyday kitchens. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product breakdowns. And leave a comment if you have questions or want us to test something else. Thanks for watching.